Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to get free coins and points in FIFA Mobile 2021. Yes, you heard that guys, it is 100% free, so keep watching till the end of the video to learn how. As you guys can see, I'm getting coins and points added as we speak by using this method. It was super easy guys, it was free, and it took me less than 2 minutes. Alright, to get started, go grab your mobile devices and go ahead and open up settings. Under settings, you're going to go ahead and click on battery and make sure low power mode is turned off. Once low power mode is turned off, go back into your settings and click on general. And under general, you're going to make sure background app refresh is turned on. Right, it's either on Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. So once that's on, go back into your settings again and go down to App Store. All right, once you've clicked on App Store, you guys are going to make sure that automatic downloads is turned on. And once these 3 steps are done, you guys can go back to your home page and go ahead and open up Safari. And once you've opened up Safari, you're going to go to this website right here. It's called oginject.co. Write it down, memorize it, guys. This website will help you, and it has so many tricks that you guys could use and different apps that you guys could possibly use and different hacks you can use for different apps. But today's video, we're going to focus on FIFA. All right, so once you go through the list, you guys can see there's many other apps here. And for instance, if you cannot find FIFA 2021, that is fine. What you're going to do is go back to the very top of this website, and in the search engine, you're going to actually type in FIFA 2021. Right, guys, so in the search engine, go ahead and type in FIFA Mobile, and it comes up as FIFA Mobile, and it says right there you can get free coins and points by using this mod. Go ahead and click on that, and once you click on it, that red button that says Inject Now, go ahead and click on that. Once you click on Inject Now, it's going to start working its magic and going through the process of getting you the free coins and points all for free. This method is 100% working as of right now, guys. It's crazy, and it's honestly made playing so much more fun for me. As you guys can tell, I've been playing this game for so long now, and this method is the only method that is working right now as of 2021, so it is the newest method. So please do check it out, and please do try it until the very end. As you guys see, I've done this multiple times. You guys can actually do this every 5 minutes and add more coins and points to your game. It's super easy. It took me less than 2 minutes, as you guys can see. And what I'm going to do is pretty much reopen up my app again to show you guys how, again, I'm getting more coins and more points as we speak by doing the method again. So guys, you guys could do this method multiple times and as many times as you want on any mobile device. Let me know how you guys like it. Hope you enjoy. Thank you.